Good day, everyone, all over the world, anywhere you're watching me from. Good day, YouTubers. It's been a long time on this channel. Anyway, today, actually, I'm not used to these anyway. Like tutorial is a RemTop tutorial channel where we learn some things and gain knowledge. But I just decided that okay, getting this air fryer and just want to like showcase it and unbox it and let's see what is inside it, what comes with the air fryer, what are the things that is there. So that is the reason why I'm making this video. It's just a little video. I just want to unbox this my new air fryer, Sokany air fryer, 12 liter. Let's see what we have here. Easy to cook, in and done. Timer up to 90 minutes. Easy to clean. Overheating protection and non-stick fits. Adjustable temperature, that is 80 degree to 200 degrees centigrade Celsius. So in it we have only a little component that comes with it. Let's see how it is. Let's see it together. So we are unboxing it now. I want to look at what are the things that comes with it. Okay, sorry, we have the what do you call this one? The manual. Yes, you take time to read it anyway, but it's not that many and it's not that big, it's not fancy, it's just a little leaflet they put there, although all the information necessary has been written there though. Then see what we have here. Okay, so inside we have these rosary for the turkey or whatever you want to do. You want to do a whole chicken, then you can put it there. So you know how to fix that one. That's not our business here. So we have the component that we use to pick it up. That one should also come with it. I use it to pick the basket, and that's of this rotatory stuff. So that's that. Let's see. So inside we have the tray. Yes, the non-stick tray that comes with it. So that's what you're going to put that down anyway. And what again? The machine itself. Let's put it out. Let's put it out. Let's see how it looks like. I'll show it to you right now. That's a little while. Okay. So here is my air fryer. Here is my air fryer. See. Okay, so inside, what do we have here? There's the cord that comes with it anyway. We have the rosary baskets. I love the basket. Okay, this airflow rack. Well, unfortunately, it's only one airflow rack that comes with it, and the tray. The airflow rack and one tray that comes with it. So I expect this one to be like 3. But unfortunately, I've met only one there. Like you see, it's only one they pack in this Sokany. Sokany 12 liter comes with only one airflow rack. For the rosary basket, that will have me another thing if it's not there, because I love this rosary basket so much. So this is the rosary basket. So we have the rosary basket here. Don't forget how to use this one. So we're going to be using it, and I'll be showing you some video when I'm doing some things on it. So then you have it there. But I love this one because that's this thing is not passed through the center. So whatever you put there, you'll be able to like it will be able to rotate confidently. The rotation will be much more confidently. Unlike those one that has the rod in between. So let's continue. This one has gone. Okay. Put it back. Okay. So this one we enter. Let's see how it does look like. Okay, it's like this. Well, this one we enter here, and then this one we sit on the rack here, and then you have the rosary basket there. Yes, you have it there. Good to go. So Sokany comes with only airflow rack, only one. The tray they're gonna put down. Don't forget the tray has to be down. Whatever you want to do, you must make sure your tray is down here. You know, because it's the one that will be protecting. Sorry. It's one that will protecting the oil not to be split around, you know. So that one must be there, and your airflow rack you want to use it as well. So let's see how it does look like if we had to on it. let's see if my cord gets you where the socket is. So if yes, then show you. Unfortunately, my socket is not up to that. So let me try and put my socket a little bit closer so I can on it for you. Okay, on it for you. Hey, one thing I love about this thing is this touch, man. This touch is superb. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. So I'll make sure you check it. I've checked everything. I've seen I don't have any other materials that comes with it. So preheat it. Although it doesn't has a preheat, but we have like 10 pre-functions. But what matter is these your time. You can adjust the temperature and your time as well. Your time, you can adjust it, and it's just like a soft touch. So, and you let it go like that. Don't forget the lights. You can see what is inside. So, and the rosette tray to be rotating. Then don't need it. Anytime you open the door, just like others, it interrupts, and then you're good to go. It's almost warm. So I'll be showing it to you. Okay, I think I'm done with that. I just want to preheat it. That's what I'm doing. So I'll be updating you as I'm using my hair fryer. I love it. I've been logging for it. I love it. I love it so much. I was gonna do a lot of things with it. But so, in essence, what we just want to bring out here is it comes with one hair flow rack, one skewer that you're gonna use for whatever you call this one. For your chicken, your live chicken, you want to do anything like. So your live chicken, you know, you put it there, and then you're good to go. You're good to go. So you know it's auto off like that, auto off, auto on. So you put this one, and then once you're ready, you pick it up. So that is it. I'll be updating you as I'm using my air fryer. Thank you very much, everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again next time.